Hi, I am Ramina and I am part of the Bbcos technical team. How about giving a little colour to your day? Today I present Colortribe, the direct colouring of Bbcos. The particularity of this product is in the purity and intensity of the pigments, a feature that allows us to achieve amazing performances. Today Gloria is with us. Her hair has a dark blonde base and on the length and ends bleaching of different shades of blonde. To have a more captivating look, she would like a bright tone that uses the colours of purple and red. The Colortribe with its intensifying and reviving action is all we need. Considering the needs of Gloria, in fact, we will make a simple reflex change without having to lighten further. Let's get to work. After having moistened the hair, I prepared 2 mixes of Colortribe. The first one using exclusively pure red, and the second one mixing a part of red and 2 parts of violet to get some nice plays of colour. At this point I proceed with the application. I use red to make the base and alternate the purple red with the pure red to colour the lengths and the tips. After the application, I leave it in place for 20 minutes. Now emulsify the colour well and rinse thoroughly with water. Apply the balancer of the pH and let it pose for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse again and you're done. Here is the result. Fantastic, I would say. Discover all the nuances and uses of Colortribe on bbcos.it and continue to follow us to receive other useful tips.